Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a pocket super weapon. You will need a Powerade or a Gatorade container, a hacksaw or a pair of scissors, either one, a balloon, some sort of a prying device, either a screwdriver or a knife, and some 12-inch bamboo skewers. Now you can take the hacksaw and right up where the mouthpiece attaches to the bottle, just begin sawing with the hacksaw. Or you can use the pair of scissors to cut it, either one. Now, pry it open a little bit if you want to, then use the scissors also to trim it the rest of the way. Trim the excess plastic. Now it's going to be a little rough at the bottom, but you can take a piece of concrete, piece of sandpaper, or a rough surface like the table, and you can kind of smooth it out just with the surface of the table, or like I said, a piece of concrete or sandpaper. Now take the lid off and very carefully pry off the round seal ring from around the mouthpiece. You don't want to break it because you are going to reuse this. Just take the seal off. Then take your balloon and scissors and about 3/4 of the way down, simply chop off the top of the balloon. Okay? Stretch the balloon over the mouthpiece, and reattach the ring. This will ensure that the balloon does not come off during your firing of your weapon. Alright, there we go, like that. That way, when you get ready to fire, you pull back Now, take your 12-inch wooden skewers, place one into the weapon, pull back, get another one, place it into the weapon, pull back. I didn't have a good grip on that one. Let's try that again. Pull back and fire. You can also use this on an object like an apple. Place the skewer into the weapon. Aim. Fire. Set it up again on a different side. Pull back. Aim. Fire. Goes right through the apple.